Hey y'all, it's Julie the nursing tutor. I've got some problems calculating infusion time, and look, it's deeper than it sounds. If you're not going to watch the whole video, please watch until number 3, because it gets a little ticky and tricky, so I just want to help you. All right, here we go. So if you have 1,000 milliliters infusing at 100 milliliters an hour, how many hours is that going to do? The formula for this is the total volume divided by the time in milliliters per hour. So our total volume is 1,000 milliliters going at 100 milliliters. You know I misspeak sometimes, just forgive me. And so this fraction says this divided by that. It's seeing how many hundreds are in 1,000. You could do it in your head, but you know, we don't trust our own head. 100 equals. It's going to go in over 10 hours. You see that? Yeah, you know. Okay, look at this one. You have 1,500 milliliters, and it's infusing at 60 milliliters an hour. What you gonna do? If she wants to see your work, tell her, put your glasses on, Ethel. Take you a gander. Here we go. We're doing the math. That divided by that. 1,500 divided by, look your fart, sorry. 1,500 divided by 60. That's going to take 25 hours. Dude, what's wrong with you? Okay, this is the one you're waiting on. The physician orders D5.5 normal saline, 1,000 milliliters at 175 milliliters an hour. How long is it going to run? So you set your problem up, 1,000 milliliters divided by 175. 1,000 divided by 175 equals. Okay, you see all these numbers? The rules I'm covering here are from Ogden. When you get here, that's 5 hours and a portion of an hour. You will round this to the nearest hundredth. That's 2 places behind the decimal. Okay? You with me? Help him, God. He gonna help y'all. Okay. And then we have to take that 0.71, I know the answer's there, and multiply it by 60. We're taking what was behind the decimal, and we're going to multiply it 0.71 times 60, and that will be, that 6 is going to make that 2 a 3, and so it's 43 minutes. This portion after the decimal is 0.71 of an hour, which equals 43 minutes. So the answer is 5 hours, 43 minutes. All right, take a breath. Get you a swallow of a beverage. You're going to be glad I showed you this. Let's do another one. So you got 500 milliliters going at 83 milliliters an hour. 500 milliliters, 83 milliliters an hour. And we're doing the math. That divided by that. 500 divided by 83 equals, look, it's a long number. And we're always rounding it to the hundredths place, 2 places after the decimal. So it'd be 6.02. So then we have to find out what 0.02 of 60 minutes is. So we're going to multiply that. 0.02 times 60. It is 1.2 minutes. And so that 2 is not going to round that 1 up. And the answer will be 6 hours and 1 minute. You picking up what I'm putting down? I hope so. Okay, let's do this one. You got 750 milliliters. Am I still on there? Thank you for your patience. 750 milliliters is going at 100 milliliters per hour. So we're doing the math. 750 divided by 100 equals, it's going to equal 7.5 hours. But 0.5 of an hour is what we have to find. So we'll do 60 times 0.5. If you got to write it out, I'd put that 0 so she don't have a coronary. All I'm saying. All right, 60 times 0.5 equals, look, show is 30 minutes. You see that? I don't want you to freak out. And then, we did that, 74.5. And it's going to be 7 hours and 30 minutes. This is your total number of solid hours right here. So, whenever you have 7 hours, you're working with everything behind it, and you're going to add it to that. I believe you picking up what I'm putting down. Help him, God. He's going to help y'all. Okay. Don't forget to find me on Facebook. My YouTube videos are linked to that. And, I mean, ultimately, you want to be on the YouTube. Okay? That's me. Hey. All right. And if these videos are helping you, and you want to help us keep the lights on so that we continue make more content, feel free to send $2 or something, and it'd be appreciated. Okay? Y'all have a good day. I hope this helped.